Welcome to day 3 of the 30-day momentum blueprint. Today, we're creating one of the most important pieces of your entire journey, your I'm in business story. This is the moment your audience finally understands who you are, why you're here, and what you stand for, not through selling, through connection. Most people get this part wrong. They think launching a business means talking nonstop about the thing they sell. But real customers don't show up because of a product. They show up because of a person. They follow someone they relate to, someone who feels human, someone who reminds them of themselves. Your story is the bridge that makes people say, okay, I get them, I trust them, I want to learn from them. So here's the simplest way to tell that story without feeling salesy or forced. I call it the pain, pivot, path, possibility. 4 pieces, real, relatable, easy to record even if you're nervous. Pain is the moment in your life when something felt off. Maybe you were tired of living paycheck to paycheck. Maybe you felt stuck. Maybe you wanted more time for the people you love. Maybe you were just exhausted from feeling behind in life. Whatever your pain was, that's where your audience connects because they've been there too. Pivot is the moment something snapped inside you. The moment you said, I can't keep living like this. It's the spark, the decision, the wake up moment that pushed you to start exploring something new. Path is the first step you took. Maybe it was learning a skill. Maybe it was finally committing to an opportunity. Maybe it was deciding you were done watching everyone else grow while you stood on the sidelines. Everyone's path looks different, but people love hearing the moment you went from thinking to doing. Possibility is what excites you now, not promises, not hype, just honest possibility. Maybe you're building confidence again. Maybe you finally believe in your potential. Maybe you see a future where your income and your time aren't controlled by a boss or a schedule. People love this part because it makes them imagine their own possibilities. That's your story, real, simple, magnetic. And here's the best part. You don't need a dramatic backstory to do this well. You just need honesty. People aren't inspired by perfection, they're inspired by growth. Say this to yourself: I'm not asking for a sale, I'm inviting people into my journey. When you stop performing and start sharing, people lean in. They root for you. They start seeing you as a leader, even if you're brand new. They'll watch your content not because you're polished, but because you're real. This story isn't about impressing people, it's about letting them see the human behind the content. That's how trust is built. That's how momentum starts. So here's your action step for today. Create your pain, pivot, path, possibility story in a video. Keep it simple, keep it human. Post it on the platform you choose. Then use a gentle call to action like, follow my journey. I'm sharing what I'm learning every day. Remember, your story is the doorway. Once people walk through it, everything gets easier. Let's make day 3 powerful.